Greetings, friend. I am starting this off today with a little meditation, and it is about finding ourselves on a beautiful, deserted island. So let's get comfortable. Let's find ourselves a nice little place to sit or relax in some way and take a nice deep breath and hmm, really be present here and now. And as we're being present here and now, let's imagine that we are, each of us, on our own wonderful little private island. And I'm curious for you, what, where is your island, first of all? Is it someplace warm? Is it, um, are you on the beach? Are you up in the mountains? Like, this is your island to explore. And you can do that by wandering around. You can do that by finding yourself in a cozy, perfect seat with a lovely, cool drink at your elbow and perhaps some journals or other ways of enjoying yourself. Maybe there's a stack of really great books. What there isn't on this island is anything that feels like a hindrance to your own enjoyment. And it's yours to explore. So let's spend a few moments just doing that, just wandering around or sitting in place, listening to the waves rolling in and rolling back out, feeling the wind on our faces, hearing the birds. Perhaps there's even beautiful wildlife in the water, dolphins or whales. Who knows? It's your island. It can have whatever it wants. Somewhere on this island is a letter that the universe has written to you. And you can explore and wander around for that right now if you'd like to. Or you can, set that aside for either another time today or another time, you know, that you can schedule in perhaps. Um, let's take a nice deep breath just with the knowledge that that's here somewhere for you to find if you'd like to. Thank you for being with me on this little wander. If you'd like to, I have an invitation for you. On Monday, this coming Monday, the 15th of May. No, sorry, not the 15th of May, the 18th of May. I'm offering a workshop, a virtual workshop, so an online workshop at 6 p.m. Eastern Time this coming Monday, where we're literally exploring this desert island a little more. Um, and we're diving a little deeper into whatever we'd like to about our island. We're discovering that letter and learning what it says, learning what the contents of it are. And most of all, what we're doing is we're just cultivating a little space. It's an hour-long workshop. We're cultivating a little space for ourselves to just tune into us, and be present for ourselves, do some exploring, do some things that feel fun. Um, and you'll be invited to like put the things that are heavy on your heart down as you come into the workshop. they'll still be there if you want uh, to pick them back up when you leave, but that will certainly be optional. You can just leave them right there and walk away if you want to from the tougher things. And really, we're just enjoying the space to explore, to see and experience some really positive, joyful, peaceful exploration and discovery. And if that feels like fun for you, the link is in the show notes. If you happen to be a Dreamer and Doer member, there is a price reduction for you. And you can find that in our forum. So I'll leave the link for Dreamers and Doers in here as well. I think it's a 32% savings, which is just how it worked out. And the way to find out, and the link that I'll leave as well, is the events page on my website. So that's where you can find out more about this workshop and others that I have coming up. I'm doing one a month through November 2026, and this is the May offering. Hopefully, hopefully, if you can't make it to this one, you've derived some benefit from just being on this deserted island for yourself today. And whether you can be at this one or not, it would be great to see you at future ones. And hopefully, you can even be at this one. So, sending you lots of love today. And I'm envisioning you sitting, sitting someplace peaceful on your island, waving at me as I'm waving back to you. Much love to you. Thanks for being here. We'll see you soon. Bye bye.